Hello viewers, how are you doing? And welcome to the shave. It's a regular shave today. Welcome to 1975, Austin Powers and Farsha. So just a regular shave today. A little bit gold member-ish, you can say. We have a beautiful cased aristocrat here. Open comb. I don't know if the blade bank is correct, but it's what I got. Twist open, and we continue with the perma sharp in there, closed, nice, good enough for Mr. Gold member, even. And since our last shave was Dutch, we're going to continue with the Dutch product, Krudvat or Krudivat, shaving soap for men, premium quality. So we continue in the gold member shave, but I won't be doing any preparations much today. I didn't prepare so much. So we have our ladder here. There, plenty of ladder, and I'm using the rocket from Phoenix. It's nice and cold. Maybe because I had to wait so long, but it's okay. That's a good scent, this Krudivat. Krudivat. So I think the soap here is well hydrated. I put in a lot of water at least. It's not a artisan soap, but it works. You tell me if this is hydrated enough. This brush does not have a problem making a lot of lather. It's freaking huge. Krudivat. Let me soak the razor. And probably haven't shaved since the last shave. Maybe I need to clean up a little bit. As they do. So yeah, hope it was fun to watch. The last one, shave. I enjoyed it, making it. It was kind of fun. I don't know if it was childish or whatever, but it was a little bit fun. To change it up a little bit, not the same shave after another. That's what I try to do on this channel, to make it a little bit fun. Also concerned about the copyright laws. That's why I changed the face and around and things like that. Maybe I got a weeper. That's a good razor, and I'm so happy I stopped the, I say in English, grateful that I got my hands on one. It really is a good shaver. And when I bought it, I don't know how much I paid for it. Maybe it was $60 or something years ago, 2016, 15, or maybe it was before that, 14 or 13 maybe. I paid like $60 for it, I think. And I reached out to Matt Pisarczyk and Razor Emporium and asked, "Do you have any cases?" And he got me this one. So thank you, Matt. At Razor Emporium, always helpful. Also bought some other razors from them. So is it well hydrated enough? You think? It's not running, so maybe it could use even more water. But I did put in a lot. And it's cold. But we're gonna try a trick. There you see. That's when your waters are well hydrated. Flies everywhere. Yeah, I thought I would show the rocket a little bit love because I haven't used it in a while. For me, it's a little bit big, and I definitely don't like it when the hairs, like you get the donuts in them. I tried to comb it out and etc. But it's a little bit big in my opinion. So maybe the amber air light would be better. For me. But you get a good grip on it, that's for sure. And if you can't afford a brush cuttle and you can find something like this for tea, you can just let it sit in there. It can sit in there. It's a little bit big, this brush, but I think it will be okay. So let's try that out. It's quite a good peaks on this soap. It's a little bit thick. So second pass. So I will put in some pictures here and there. I had a little bit fun with like a Photoshop or app I use. So yeah, I want to see the Austin Powers movies over again now, because I haven't seen it in a while. I saw Goldmember though. But it's been a while since I've seen the other ones, the first one. Some movies you remember a lot from. I remember a lot from the Austin Powers movies too. But yesterday I saw a movie on Netflix. I don't remember what it's called now. Maybe I will pop it up someplace. But I only remembered fragments of the movie. When it came like halfway in, I remember more. Weird, huh? One of my favorite Mike Myers movies is the one called So I Married an Axe Murderer. It's quite fun too. And and very good actors in it. especially the woman. I don't remember her name. Or both the women. I mean, the other woman, she was in what was it, the movie with Rob Love, Hotel New Hampshire, maybe it was, if I'm not mistaken. And also Jeff Bridges' brother, I don't remember his name now. He was in that one. That's why that one is good too. So let's see. Yeah, it's soaking. There's some water left over there, you can see. You can take it out. Antique store, like 20 crowns. How much it in dollar? I don't know, maybe $20. So it's not so bad. It works like a brush scuttle if you are on a budget. If I were to buy the Phoenix shaving brush scuttle, for example, it's been a while since I put in the water, so it's not super hot though. And I didn't put in that more warm water anyway. But if I were to buy the scuttle from Phoenix shaving, I probably had to pay more, and with shipping, and shipping from America is quite expensive. So for me, on a budget, I have an apartment and bills to pay, and loan, it works. I'm not a millionaire. So I think there's enough water in this soap. So yeah, if I married an axe murderer, like Myers, it's really good film, fun. Also, he has Scottish parents, and he plays his father. He plays the father too. So it's quite fun, and also the singing. Harriet, have you ever seen it? It's good film, and they drink a beer that's called McEwan's in the movie, and it's quite a dark beer. McEwan's import, I think it was. And when I watched that film first time, I was curious about that dark beer. So I went around looking for it, and eventually I found it, and I actually quite liked it. So it became like one of my favorite dark beers. Not beards. Dark beer. And now I can't find it anywhere. So I haven't had it in quite many years. In my opinion, it's better than Guinness, but I haven't had like the real Guinness from a bar or pub or whatever. So, but it's better than the canned Guinness you can buy. I like it too, though. I do that, so don't get me wrong. But it was really good. It was one of the better dark beers I have. It's not bitter or anything like that, in my opinion, as far as I remember. Anyway, it's quite good. I'm not a big fan of IPAs either. Some are good, but I don't like that. The ones with the bitter aftertaste, or you get that bitter taste in your mouth. Really don't like it. So I haven't exactly in on that craze, or what you call it, or wave. I like regular beers, like a Pilsner or Lager, what you want to call it, or Heineken, Budweiser, Grolsch, Pabst, that I love, Michelin, if you know that from America, Coors, I don't think yeah, of course, and Miller, I like some more traditional when it comes to beer. Okay, that was a close shave and no bleeding as far as I see. Let me rinse off and I'll be right back, and still have a lot of lather left in there. Yeah, it's a little bit there, but it's good enough for me. My golden towel. So I like this. If you look at the video in the description, it's based on some fancy schmancy thing. Don't remember what it was right now. And the cheap ones I buy lately, I kind of like this one. It's good. Yeah, that stings a little bit. You can maybe get some beeper there, or irritation. And we're gonna go with some Proraso balm, like that. Yeah, that was good. Good shave after a good shower. Lovely. And there's my brush. I need to dry it out a little bit more. So I watched a video today and they were talking about synthetic brushes, that they get better and better and better, and the one you buy yesterday is not as good as the one today. Well, I think they are getting better and better, but are they that better? No. Sure, they're getting better. I agree on that. But it doesn't move that fast. So it's definitely one of my favorite brushes. I like it a lot. But I also prefer my cheaper yucky brushes, such as this one or the putty one, even though this one gets a little bit donut sometimes too, and it's very floppy. So, but this one I get free shipping on. So, but I definitely like it. It's really good in the hand, and yeah, I think they are getting better and better too. But I don't think it's moving that fast, in my opinion. But you may vary. I hope you enjoy the shave. And take care. Have a nice weekend. It's Friday now, and because I have plans for the weekend, so I might not have time to do another shaving video. So that's why I'm doing it now. So have a nice weekend, take care, stay safe, and of course, may you all have solid shaves. Bye now.